Yawning is a reflexive behavior characterized by opening one's mouth wide and taking a deep breath, often accompanied by stretching or vocalizations. The exact reason why we yawn is not fully understood, but several theories have been proposed. One theory suggests that yawning helps regulate the levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood. When we yawn, it increases the intake of oxygen and the removal of carbon dioxide, which helps to balance these gases in our bloodstream. However, this theory does not fully explain why we yawn in various situations, including when we are already well oxygenated. Another theory proposes that yawning plays a role in cooling the brain. When we yawn, the deep inhalation of air can help to cool down the blood vessels and brain, thus regulating its temperature. This theory suggests that yawning might be more common in situations where the brain is warmer, such as when we are tired or sleepy. As for contagious yawning, research suggests that it may be related to our empathetic abilities and social bonding. Contagious yawning occurs when we observe someone else yawning and find ourselves yawning in response. This phenomenon is thought to be linked to our capacity for empathy, which allows us to understand and share the emotions and experiences of others. When we see someone yawn, it triggers a subconscious empathetic response, leading us to yawn as well. Studies have shown that contagious yawning is more likely to occur among people who have a closer emotional relationship or a higher level of empathy. It's worth noting that the precise mechanisms behind yawning and its contagious nature are still being studied, and more research is needed to fully understand these phenomena.